Happy Tuesday. So today is election day. Walang school yung mga bagets. And so maglilinis tayo ng magkakat tayo ng grass today. Binilihan ako ng weeding. Yung ginagamit ko yung pangkat. Binilihan ako ng asawa ko ng bago kasi yung ginamit ko last time is the battery siya. So kapag naubos na yung battery niya, that's it. Hindi na ako pwedeng makapag-cut. So kailangan ko siyang i-recharge again. And then yun. So wala akong backup na charger na charge. So kahit na malaki yung volt na binili ng asawa ko, like nasa 20 volt ata siya, pero nauubos pa din siya ng mabilisan kasi nga yung mga grass, so kailangan talagang putulin talaga sila. So yun. So binilihan niya ako ng bago. This one is na siya, electric na siya, degas na siya, degas. So yun yung gagamitin natin today, and first time ko siyang gagamitin. So yeah. So let's go, samahan niyo ako mag-cut ng grass again. So, ito yung aking, guys, ito yung bago kong, pangkat ng grass. So, ayan. And then, yung asawa ko, nagkakat na siya ng grass. Actually, siya yung nag-start. And then, kinat na niya yung doon. Ayan, yung creek, yung kinakat niya ngayon. So, yeah. So, tayo naman dito. Ayan, tignan nyo, every 2 weeks namin kami nagkakat ng grass. Pero, tignan nyo, ang bilis humaba ng mga grass. As in, sobra ang haba nila agad. So, hinihintay ko yung asawa ko kasi siya yung, I think ready na ata siya eh. Ayan kasi, parang tinry na niya. So, ayan I think ready na siya eh. Parang, tinry niya na i-cut yung grass. So, I think ready na siya for me to use it. Pero, kailangan lang natin siguraduhin na okay na talaga siya for me to use it. So, nihintay ko lang yung asawa ko. So, yun nga, like I said, kinakat namin tong grass every 2 weeks. And, grabe, sobrang ambilis tumaas ng grass. Especially ngayon na umuulan talaga ngayon ng sobra-sobra. As in, like, tignan nyo naman ngayon, sobrang cloudy siya ngayon. Kaya, mabilis, yung mga grass. So, tutulungan ko yung asawa ko mag-cut ng grass para mabilis matapos. And, so yeah. Mag-start na tayo, guys!
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. love being alone. Well, I don't care, cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah.
Ubus na tayo ng gas. So, kailangan natin mag-load ng gas. Oh my gosh, I'm tired. So, ayun po ang aking asawa. Kanina ko pa tinatawag. Hindi niya ako narinig. Malayo kasi siya, guys. Ang layo niya. So, maglalakad ako all the way doon.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Look at me, guys. This is what happened when you cut grass all over. Even in my face. How bad is it in my face? Is it bad?
Oh, it's not bad, but you'll see.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Now my hand is kind of shaking now. Not shaking, but. And a broken nail!
Flipped me off.
Hey, I said a broken
proof.
nail. Are you trying to dust me off?
Yeah, but you got grass everywhere. It's
I
so
got grass
hard.
everywhere.
It's
Yeah.
so hard.
Yep, this is what happened.
I just wanna
Farm
go
life.
I just wanna go.
So guys, kakat natin ang hair ni Kaylo before I go shower. Dahil nagre-request siya na ikat ang hair niya. Look how long his hair. Kakat natin yung hair niya. Boom.
Can you do a mohawk?
No, I'm not doing the mohawk.
Because I just
Kuya Chad's turn.
Hello.
Alright, I'm gonna be What are you eating, sissy girl?
Oreo.
You're eating Oreo.
I gave one to us.
Daddy gave it to you?
He's a good dad.
He's a good dad? Wow, you're a good dad. Daddy.
Thank you. Well, only me twice.
Yeah. Ayan guys, yung gupit ni Kuya Chan and Kuya Caleb.
We got 4. But
Four.
Troy and Sissy only got 3.
Oh yeah.
Because me and Kale were bigger. No. We have smaller kids.
It's okay. It's okay.
Mom, do you think I need a treadmill?
No, you don't.
Like when
Look at
June
Caleb,
1st.
guys. Let me see your teeth. Tignan mo. Tignan nyo. Oh, konti na lang. Tatanggal na. Oh, daddy's gonna do it.
you told me to wiggle it.
Okay, well, daddy's gonna do it now. Oh. Akin
You
na.
want mommy to do it then?
Probably if you do it too, like you wiggle it too much, then it'll.
Why are you shaking, silly?
Scared.
So, ayan guys, ang hair ni Caleb. Ayan, it doesn't look like good, but okay lang yan.
My hair Mom, my hair looks great.
Oh, it looks great.
But I
You
can't
like
really
it?
see it. Mom, now I can't.
Are you gonna do it? Stop it.
Up to you.
Take a video.
Come here. Come here.
Did you get it out? Oh, wow.
Just
Let me see, ah.
that didn't even.
Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
you're there.
So ayan na guys, ang hair ni Chad and Kyler.
Yeah.
They're joining a military. Yeah.
No, not.
That's not how you do it. Daddy show him.
No.
No, like
this.
right here
Oh, like
on your forehead, like right here on the side. Right there.
On Roblox.
No, Chad.
On Roblox, on my.
We ain't playing Roblox.
So ayan, turn around, both of you.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Turn. Are you facing the fridge?
No.
Alright.
No.
So guys, oh my gosh, ang pangit ng ano natin dito. Nasa bed na ako. And yun, sobrang pagod ko ngayong araw na to. So, i-end na natin ng vlog. So, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating vlog for today. So, yung pagkagupit ko sa mga anak ko sobrang, hindi ko akalain na bigla na lang sila nga boobs. Parang bigla silang tumanda na ewan. Oh my gosh. Lalo na si Chad. Sobra yung ano niya, parang naging natuloy ako, patang may anak na tuloy akong teenager, nakakaloka. Dahil biglang, basta, nako, hindi ko ma-explain. ginupitan ko siya na first time ko silang nagupitan ng ganyang hair. So sabi nila they like it naman. So gusto daw nila ulit ng ganong gupit pag umaba na yung mga hair nila. So and gugupitan natin yung mga hair nila pagka na sa school next school year na sa August. Yan. So ayun, sobrang ay nako, I cannot believe it. But sobrang ang ng panahon, grabe, nakakaloka. But anyways, I'm gonna say goodnight na guys dahil talagang inaantok na ako and pagod na pagod ako ngayong araw na to. So thank you guys so much for watching. Good night.